This thing, it's a juggernaut. It's done very well. Huge hit. Everybody talking about Eminem and his great movie. And the movie, of course, is about his beginnings as a rap artist. And now there's a controversy, and a big controversy. Listen to this. This weekend, another big star has a movie coming out about his humble beginnings. And now, some people think it rips off Eminem and 8 Mile. And the star of the new movie says that Eminem ripped him off, and it's all getting really nasty and really ugly. To explain more, take a look at the movie trailer for this new film that's just about to come out, and you be the judge.
Hey, Triumph, I would have humped your mom, but I couldn't tell which end was which.
Oh, that's a great insult. Yes, great insult. For me to...
Show! 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 Show!
Oh, Mom, no! Did you spike the toilet with Jack Daniels again?
You ever get to the point in life when you've got to stop licking yourself up here and start licking yourself down there?
If you had one shot to hump everything you ever wanted.
Bring it on, bitch!
Poodles,
You suck!
terriers, those Chinese dogs with the bald asses.
I'm gonna get buried again, man! I can't bother anymore!
What? You're a genius, Steve. You want to live in this town for the rest of your life?
Mom, why are you such a whore? You've been rear-ended so much you should have handlebars on your back. Okay, is that all you've got?
I beat my pink thing harder than this!
Okay, you've had more bones buried in you than a skeleton factory.
Man, if you make it, think of all the bitches you'll get.
Not about the beaches, man. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
Triumph, is that a cigar in your mouth or a Doberman's penis?
Oh yes, oh yes. Oh. Dude, you're like my doggy door. You swing both ways.
My fleas have bigger pink things than you. Yo, who's your groomer? I've seen nicer fur on Robin Williams' back.
Look at this. It's Raggedy Ann and Andy's gay brother.
Give it to me, come on!
Oh crap! You told me he was at work, bitch!
Please yourself. In the nutsack, the ball bag, the hot rock, the cooch pop, the scrotum.
That is not cool, bro.
In the doggy bag, the twin tack, the Scooby snack, the ring dings, the Olsen twins, the lima beans. Please yourself. In the puppy seats, the umlaut, the moltos, the doggy nature, bicameral legislature.
You can't beat me, Triumph. I'm the best there is.
You are the best there is. For me to poop on!
Lick yourself on the balls and the stick balls, the poached eggs, the stuffed shells, the airless, the panic room.
So I don't know, maybe that'll do well, too. Who can say? Well, we'll take a little break. When we come back, Lisa Kudrow is going to be joining us. Triumph, take it away!
Okay, here we go.
You've got to lick yourself in the nutsack, the ball bag, the hot rocks, the pooch pots, the scrotum, you own them. Lick yourself in the doggy bag, the twin pack, the Scooby snack, the ring dings, the Olsen twins, the lima beans. Lick yourself in the puppy seats, the umlaut, the malt ball, the doggy nature, pie camel legislature. Lick yourself in the balls, the stick balls, the poached eggs, the stuffed shirts, the heirlooms, the van